Hi, I'm George McQuilkin. I'm here with my co-trainer and buddy, Kyle Hansen. We're in front of the Studio Kitchen Suite, and we have some amazing technology to talk about today. Now, Kyle, I know this is a market first and a true double oven. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
I tell you, George, I love the double oven. This is the range for anybody, and it's the one you have to have in your house.
Gotta have it.
And I'll tell you why, because you've got the perfect size oven for whatever you're baking. So, for example, if you're doing a frozen pizza or reheating a casserole or just doing some quick apps, you've got the small oven up here.
Oh, it's perfect.
Again, you've got all the great features in here, like easy clean. This even has a broiler element up here too.
Wow, that's
but if that's not enough, on the bottom, this is perfect for those larger items. Think of like your holiday turkey, bigger baking, your larger casseroles and things like that.
Wow.
Plus, the bottom oven features probate convection, and you know what that means.
Oh yeah, I can already see the air fry rack is in play, right?
And not only that, we've talked about air sous vide before. You can do air sous vide down there too to not only elevate, what you're making, but it kind of adds a nice restaurant quality. So this is the perfect range, again, for everyday use, or if you're having entertaining, having the holidays, having the family over. This is the LG that you want.
So what you're telling me is there's nothing we can't cook in here. So we're getting multi-function cooking options within these two different compartments. That's pretty amazing, Kyle.
Yep. And the other thing that's cool about this range too, George?
Please tell me.
We have an Induction cooktop.
Oh my goodness.
I love Induction. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
You know what? Induction's my specialty, and this year we have a new type of glass that's going edge to edge, which has never been seen before, especially with an LG double oven range. Now, the one thing about Induction, it's one of the safest, most precise, and easiest ways to cook. Always keep that surface nice and clean because the surface itself doesn't get too crazy hot. Now, the one unique thing about LG's Induction technology is our unique coil seating and housing. Yes, we allow a great amount of airflow to get a higher heat index and maintain that cooking temperature as precise as possible. A lot of cool stuff, Kyle.
Yep. One more thing we got to talk about too. This also utilizes ThinQ. ThinQ is a wonderful addition to this to enhance your whole experience. You can do things like remotely preheat your oven on the way home from work. You can be alerted if something isn't quite working right, or even just get an alert when it's time to utilize Easy Clean to clean that oven. Or also too, you have ability to get updates down the road too that you can customize to however you like it. So always talk about ThinQ as well. And don't forget too the promotion we're running where if you buy a new range, activate ThinQ with it, you're going to get an extra year warranty as well.
So don't forget, talk about ThinQ with every sale because ThinQ allows you to customize, care for, and maintain the warranty of your appliance. Thanks for stopping by, folks.